Hey Glams, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and my channel is Glamorous Babes. If you're new, hello, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that red button at the bottom. If you're older, you know what it is. You know already what it is. Before we get to the video, make sure you subscribe and turn that notification post on so you won't miss any videos I post, and follow all my social media, which at the bottom of this screen, as you already know. And don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel, Glamorous Babes TV, to get the latest vlogs of this year, which I haven't started all one. But anyway, you read that title, you read that thumbnail. So it's the January Ipsy of 2019, and of course the first bag of the year. Of course, if you hear any noise, I'm just in a different area, so ignore the background, pay attention to me. So anyway, so yeah, let's roll into the video. So of course y'all know that I stopped doing Ipsy bags a long time ago, but I just want to do this video for the first 2019 bag of the year of 2019 in January. So the first thing I got was out my Ipsy bag, this little pamphlet. You know, y'all know it always come in the card, but it came at a pamphlet, and it shows all the things you were getting, where you would be getting for the month of January, and has a front and back. So basically this is what it is, and it said a new year, more products, more focus on you, which is true. So yeah, let's get into the products. I just want to show you what this was all about. So this is the bag. It looks kind of cheap, you know. It used to have the Ipsy logo on the zipper part, but it has it down here. So it's like a white stripy bag with a kind of silver zipper and stuff like that, with a pink tie on the zipper. So it looked kind of cheap to me. It's very cheap, but you get what you buy. Oh well. So the first thing I'm gonna put out this bag, and I'm unzip it, and the first thing I'm gonna pull out is Yinsta Color and Face Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 super orange acids. And this is what it looked like. I don't know if I like can do it, but this is what it looks like. And this pumpkin turmeric is gently exfoliate skin, pumpkin brightens skin, turmeric soothes skin, ginger even skin tone out, and papaya helps with discoloration. So this is something that you put on nighttime or daytime. So it says smooth a thin layer on clean damp skin, relax and leave for 5 to 10 minutes, gently massage in circular motions with warm water 30 seconds, then rinse and clean. Use this 3 to 4 times a week. So you know I'm familiar, you know I'm not familiar, but you know I'm funny about my skin, about trying new things, and I'm just gonna put this to the side, and I may or may not try it. You know me, I may or may not try it because I'm funny. My skin is going through so much right now, so I just don't want to put anything on my skin right now until I find out what's going on, because my medication I'm taking is like it's going off. So yeah, the next thing I'm gonna put out is Jante Blue lip liner pencil in plum 944 plum, and I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand like this. And that's a wonderful color in plum, and this is new for me, so I really like this lip liner. I'll be soon to use it on my lips. Nah. Yes. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is Alternate Rock. The Balm is a blush and shadow from the Balm, and this is the shade. It is, what's the shade? Bare Minimum. and this is the shape of it. So I use blush, but I don't use that many blush. I try not to collect so much blush, but whatever they send me, I have to be satisfied with it, because it's not my choice, it's their choice. So this is what I got from the Balm, a blush and a shadow. I may use it for a shadow, not the blush, so who knows. The next one I'm gonna pull out is Ciate London Wonderland mascara. This is my first time. If you in the West, that was a truck that passed by. I'm in a different area. And this is a Ciate London Wonderland mascara. And it looks like it's okay. I never tried Ciate Wonderland mascara, but I'm soon to use this. Thank you, Ipsy. I'm gonna put it right over there. And the last thing I got out my bag and I'm gonna pull out is a Luxie brush. Don't mind the sunshines because I'm using natural light. Of course, a brush from Luxie Beauty. And let me get out the pack. Come on out. I'm gonna push this thing out. Okay. It's a Luxie brush and a small contour brush. It's a small contour brush, and these brushes I really love because they more durable and last long. So it's a small contour brush, and I read in this little thing that has everything that I have right here, what it's about. I can use it as a highlighter brush, a contour, and bronze my cheeks, my temples, and all that. And this is a 10-10 small contour brush, as it says right here. And I'm glad they did this, because you just want to know what the things you're getting, want to know what it's all about. And it said about the lip pencil and the blush that I got. And look, on the back it had the pumpkin turmeric that I have. And what about the mascara? Oh, the mascara right here. They have the mascara. And some of the items they have up there for the past year I have received from last year in 2018. So that's a good thing. So this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day and an enjoyable day, because it's Friday. Chill, lay back, get drunk, we'll do whatever. And I'll see y'all beauties in the next one. Make sure you subscribe and turn that notification post on, and help me get to 200 subscribers if you enjoy my content. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.